Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues in your JBL Partybox on the Go 2. The thing you need to remember, it doesn't really matter if it's an iPhone or an Android phone. The problem of pairing can occur on every single device that's on the market, and these are the same methods to fix. The only difference that is here is that you need to know how to enter the settings, you need to know how to enter the Bluetooth settings, etc, etc. But it's almost the same, and the only difference is that here in the Android phone you need to have one additional step to enter the connected devices, and to enter Bluetooth you need to just scroll down to the connections. But never mind, in the iPhone, the first thing that you can do is open the settings, tap Bluetooth, and here, if you have your device paired but not connected, tap this info icon, forget this device and forget device. If you hadn't have the connection made, you need to just tap here Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth. Meanwhile, you need to click this power button to turn off your speaker. Now you need to wait 10 to 20 seconds, and after this you need to turn on your speaker back again and enable Bluetooth. Everything should be working fine now. If it doesn't, and if there are still some problems, you need to now take your speaker over here. Wait a moment, I need to get it closer. And now here we have two buttons, this play button over here and this LED light over here. You need to hold these buttons two buttons simultaneously for at least 10 to 20 seconds to have your speaker factory resetted. It should be automatically turned off. And after this, everything should be working fine. If it isn't, you need to contact device support to have your speaker fixed. Goodbye.